Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to upload videos into your whiteboard. So there are a couple ways you can go about doing this. The first way is to copy and paste the video into your space. So I've copied the video, and I'm just going to select Command V to paste it into my space. And as you can see, it's uploading, and it is uploaded into my space. And you will see you have the option to upload a video from your computer, from YouTube, or from Vimeo. So first, I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video from your computer. So select Choose Image, Video, or PDF. You are going to locate the video in your files, select it, click Open, then click Upload. And your video will be uploaded to your space. So another way to upload videos to your whiteboard is through YouTube or Vimeo. So I'm going to select Insert Files once again. And you can see I have the option to upload through YouTube or Vimeo. And when uploading through YouTube and Vimeo, you have to insert the URL. The process is identical. So I'm going to be uploading a video from YouTube through URL I've already copied, and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to select Upload. And it will instantly be uploaded to my space. One important thing to note is that when I click play on the video will only be playing for me, not for my participants. So each individual participant you want to watch the video will have to click play for themselves. I'm just going to select play. And you'll see that the video instantly starts playing for me. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right corner of your screen.